thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a small video. I was working on my replicated project and I was facing an issue when I created a game state. So it took me some time to identify what was the issue. So I thought of sharing that fix. So basically, I'll try to show it with the default third-person template. So when you play this, you'll be able to control the character fine. But if you're trying to create a new game state, blueprint class, this is basically when you're working on a replicated project. So game state. So you'll not be choosing the game state base. You'll have to choose the game state if you're working on a multiplayer project. So I'll just create this. So when I try to assign this to my game mode, so your character will spawn, but you'll not be able to control it. The reason is the game mode that's created here. This will be on game mode base. So that's the reason that's the one conflicting here. So to fix that, you have to create a new game mode. Don't create the game mode from the game mode base. Instead, you have to create it from the game mode. So this is suitable for the multiplayer one. So basically, when you are creating a game state, you have to match the one of the game mode also. So if you select the game mode base, you can create the game state base. If you are selecting the game mode, you have to select the game state. So if I select the game state underscore game mode, and I can assign this game mode and just all I'll select the same. Controller. So now I'll be able to control the player. So you can keep your game state logic, everything inside this. So basically the issue was when you are selecting the games, when you are creating the game state, if you want to create it from game state base, you should have selected the game mode base. If you are selecting the game state for multiplayer project, you have to select the game mode for the multiplayer project. I know this is a small information, but I thought it might be useful because I was struggling on it for some time to identify what was causing it. If you already know this, please ignore. This is for people who were struggling like me. Thanks for watching. Bye.